Can you all add and subtract fractions at this point?
Yes.
What is the first thing you look at when adding or subtracting fractions at you? The denominator. We call it lighting the denominator up, right? Yeah. I can stop the video right now and you should be good. I'm not going to, but I could. All right, so we had 3 words. Sum. Everybody, in the count of 3, tell me what the sum is. 1, 2, 3. Okay, on the count of 3, tell me what sign. Tell me what sign goes with difference on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Subtraction.
Difference means you're dealing with subtraction. Okay, cool. And then this one we've been doing forever. A part of a whole is a fraction. It also lives between 0 and 1, 2 fractions. We also know that fractions are the answer to fractions are
A division.
a division problem. Nice job. All right, fraction rules. Okay, number 1. The denominators when adding or subtracting fractions must be the same. So the first thing we look at, again, is the
Denominator.
At this point in our life, the denominators are not the same. Are we done with the problem?
No.
At this point in our life, the denominators are not the same. Are we done?
Yes.
We're done. We don't do anything. If we don't have the common denominators, they're not the same. You're done. So they can't do anything. At this point, that's going to change. Okay, so we look at the denominators. If the denominators are the same, then, eyes up here. If the denominators are the same, Takia, then what do? Takia. If the no, I'm sorry, someone else is speaking. Go. What do? You add or subtract the numerators, right?
Yeah.
Cool. And then at the very, very end, once you get your answer, you should make sure that you don't have to simplify or reduce. Okay, quick question. Do you ever add or subtract the denominators?
No.
They always stay the
Same.
Okay, so here's some examples of what we were talking about. Number 7, everyone did these exact same examples. Because we light up the denominators, 2/9 and 3/5 have different denominators. So what do we say?
Cancel.
And yes is the key word because you will be able to solve those after our next lesson. All right, number 8, we light up our denominators. Are they the same?
Yes.
So therefore we add our,
Numerator.
and we get, and our denominator stays the same. On this one, we have 3, 6, and 1, 6. Denominators are the same. We ended up with an answer of 4, 6. Is that our final?
No.
No, you can always reduce 4, 6 because we have 2 even numbers, right?
Yes.
Cool. The last thing I want to talk about then is number 11. If you get an answer in which the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so 5 is bigger than 4, yes or no?
Yes.
We must change that into a what kind of number, Ashley?
A mixed number.
A mixed number. And how do you go from an improper to a mixed, Ashley?
You divide.
You divide. And what goes inside the box, Ashley?
5.
What goes outside the box, Ashley?
4.
4. So the top number always goes inside, the bottom number always goes on the outside, right? Cool. Again, the very first thing we do when we're adding and subtracting fractions is we light up the
Denominator.